Hi, it's Kev from Keco here. Just going to go through the new VIP top of the Packout systems here. So a couple of things: when you get the system, you're going to have a bag with some cleats, bolts and some screws in. So I just want to run through what those all are so you don't get confused. So on the back of these, as you open it out, fitted 3 of these already. The final one, just want to grab a Phillips screwdriver. The cleat is going to be this one here, and then the 2 small, I think they're going to be a 5mm bolt. So the cleat will just drop on. It doesn't matter which way round these go. What you're going to do, you're going to screw those into place. The threads on here are actually pre-cut, so it's not a self-tap or anything like that. So you go in nice and easy. So I wouldn't be bothered to over tighten it, just get it down so it's just nipped in. Once it's in place, it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so that's all fitted now. So now we have 4 cleats in place. Okay, so this particular top is a little bit different to some of the others on the market because it does allow you to run an extra Packout box. Now the Packout box you can put on top of this can be any of them, whatever you want. You can go higher, lower, whichever you fancy. I'm going to put this one on today. So to actually put the top on, there's this recessed hole at the front here. This needs to go front of the Packout cards because this is where this bolt comes in. So as you slide that in place, like that, now this bolt is going to drop through. It doesn't need to be screwed up or anything, it just drops through to allow the Packout not to slide back off when you're finished. Right? So it just sits in, a couple of holes under there, it just drops through those. Now we can put a Packout top on. So just rest it in place, drop it down, and then slide it back in. It's going to be a little bit of a snug fit, but that's a good thing. So now that's on, what we can actually do now is we can utilise this for your Keco tabs maybe, some other item sitting on and put in the top here. But say you could put a draw unit on the top, you could put whatever you want on top of this. So it doesn't have to be this particular box. A couple of things that I wanted to go through. When I first got the system, I was like, well, how on earth do you open these? It's not very quite simple. Things underneath. Maybe you get through to those clips. It's little things like that. Sometimes, you're looking at it, staring at it, thinking, why on earth won't that work? That's the reason for it. There's a couple of holes at the front here. As you can see, if you look down at them, they haven't been drilled all the way through. You might look at that and go, well, what's that for? Obviously, being a VIP top, it's for the VIP knockdown to sit upside down. Holes down the side, there's some slide hammer holes here for large and small slide hammer. There's actually some recessed holes down here, so any of the hub tools that everyone seems to be using at the moment, these are actually fitted beautifully. The nice thing about these is you don't have to take them all the way out the top. You can just take them outside. So if this was in a van and you wanted to get quick access, literally lift it up and out she comes. So it's a really well made top. It's approximately 90mm ABS plastic, so really, really sturdy. It's not going to be breaking. So yeah, that's available today. So any questions, please, as usual, drop us a line.